More track record means more rating. Indeed, Darwinex ZERO appears to have listened because, just as they've consistently done, they keep betting on and rewarding traders who have a long-term perspective. We will go over all the specifics of this update in this video, but first, a disclaimer. And we begin. And what does this update consist of? Well, it's very simple. The longer your track record, the more rating bonus you'll get. Let's go to the main dashboard of our Darwin. Look to the right, below our current rating. We now have a green progress bar where they show us the extra score we've achieved so far. If we click on the information icon, it says the following. If our track record is under 6 months, we receive 0 points. From 6 months onwards, plus 1 point. More than 12 months, plus 2 points. And if we have more than 18 months registered, we'll achieve the maximum of 3 additional points to the rating score, which, incidentally, is still calculated exactly the same as until now, with this exception. If you want to know how the rating is calculated, in this video, which I'll leave for you up here on the right, we explain it in detail. In my case, as you can see, I already have the maximum points for my rating because I've been trading on Darwinex ZERO for over a year and a half. But let's get to the important part. How does this affect the issue we've been discussing on the channel about newly created track records that continuously top the ranking of Darwinia Silver? Before I share my thoughts, if you don't want to waste any more time and prefer to adopt a long-term trading strategy and achieve all levels within Darwinex ZERO to manage external capital, down in the video description and in the pinned comment, I'll leave you the direct links to the Darwinex ZERO registration page with the discount already applied of 20% for the monthly plan, and an additional 5% for the 1 and 3 year plans. I don't know how this is going to work, honestly. Being honest, it seems like a small thing. In any case, I would have expected something more like plus 5 rating points from 6 months, plus 10 points from 12 months, and plus 15 from a year and a half. Because obviously, Darwin's created recently will continue to rise in the ranking with only 2 or 3 months of track record, taking advantage of that lack of traction of the risk management engine at the start of operations. They will end up exactly the same as until now, achieving large allocations, but without monetizing them. The question here is if those 3 points will make the difference to at least reward the longer track records that can reach the first places of the ranking with slightly less unfair competition from certain users. I don't mind it. It represents a first step in the correct direction, and based on information from the Darwinex ZERO team, numerous tests and evaluations of this measure have been carried out, confirming that it would be adequate. We'll have to wait and see how it progresses. What's your take? Did they aim too low, or not? Let me know in the comments. However, if you prefer not to rely on the national seed capital allocations from Darwinia, you always have the option to hire a booster and that's it. That said, before doing so, watch this video. See you in the next one.